Lifting of COVID-19 requirements, face masks. Introduction. Qatar's Ministry of Public Health, MOPH, has recently mandated that face masks are no longer required outside. Therefore, Qatar Energy and Qatar Gas have also endorsed this mandate. Effective from March 16, 2022, a face mask will not be required under the following conditions: site personnel shall be vaccinated as defined by MOPH requirements, social distancing of 2 meters or above shall be maintained, fitness to work, FTW. Results do not reveal any additional risks to those with chronic health conditions, and existing precautions are maintained as per MOPH, such as hand washing, disinfections, etc. Risk management. Qatar Gas NFXP onshore has completed a due diligence risk assessment to reduce the use of face masks in all outdoor project locations and to improve working conditions in open spaces during heat season. As per existing MOPH and Qatar Energy requirements, face mask use will still be required under the following conditions. Unvaccinated persons will maintain the wearing of masks in all scenarios until vaccinated. Work that is conducted in brownfield areas, and interface with current operations. When social distancing is less than 2 meters, and inside confined spaces, vehicles with 1 or more passengers, trucks, buses, and mobile equipment, and inside office and camp buildings. Important: the requirement to wear a face mask for specific work activities outdoors should be highlighted in the relevant pre-start task instructions.